you're encountering Matchmaking Error 2026 in PUBG, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them. Outdated versions can lead to matchmaking errors. Step 5. Check network connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. A weak or unstable connection can cause issues with matchmaking. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy playing PUBG again. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.